As we look at the clock, it is 5:04 and a growing memorial in the heart of Kerrville. 1 week after deadly floods along the Guadalupe River devastated the Texas Hill Country. We're seeing photos there, flowers, handwritten messages lining a fence along Water Street. Locals are calling that tribute a wall of hope. Closer to home here in North Texas, green ribbons wrapped around trees at Clyde Warren Park in downtown Dallas, honoring those young students who were victims of the flooding. And later on this morning, President Donald Trump set to leave the White House to see that damage in Central Texas firsthand. Natalie Haddad with us in studio this morning, and we know the president's visit comes as search and rescue crews are still sifting through that devastation.
Right, Mark, and President Trump is going to arrive in the Kerrville area around 11:30 this morning. He will be with First Lady Melania Trump, and the White House officials say that the pair will receive an update from local and state leaders about the ongoing response. On Sunday, President Trump approved a federal disaster declaration requested by Governor Greg Abbott in response to the catastrophic flooding across Texas over the July 4th weekend. The declaration covers the hardest hit area, Kerrville County, and the surrounding areas. Now, the floodwaters are blamed for at least 120 deaths now and at least 150 people still unaccounted for. Search and rescue teams have worked around the clock. They've been deploying boats, helicopters, canines, and even horses to locate the missing in extreme heat and in that widespread debris we've all seen. Now, several of the victims were children from North Texas, and we're beginning to learn details about their funerals, including that of 8-year-old Hadley Hannah. Her service is scheduled for later today in Dallas at Highland Park United Methodist Church.